Hello everybody, Mr. O here, and today I am introducing smudging pens. At least that's what we're going to call them, since that's basically the most common I've seen them referred to. I was introduced to these this past summer, and I really like them, that I'm introducing them to my class, and this will be one of the videos they'll be watching. And what I did, for time's sake, is I put a bunch of graphite pencil, HB and 6B, the ebony pencil, which is equivalent. And so let's talk about the smudging pen. We know that anything can be a smudger, even a piece of tissue, some soft fabric, and these are the most common, really tight paper. And we know that once they're broken in, the more they're broken in, the better they kind of smudge for us. We use them for pencil, charcoal, pastels, whatever can smear. That's where these paper smudgers work perfectly. Now these seems to be a condensed. I should have looked up how they're actually made. It's a very fabric cotton, very hard and rough on the white tip, and firm but spongy, because it's a firm sponge, on the black tip. So let's compare, and I'm just gonna take this and just start smudging. As you can see, it can pull the pencil, and it smooths, does a great job with that. And in the ebony, of course, it's a lot easier to do and a lot darker. May not show up in the video that way, because of course I use a Ticonderoga pencil, and one of the great things with Ticonderogas is that it's a very soft HB. Now, why I really like this, and we will have the two sides, I probably should just use this one. We'll have the two sides, is that this is kind of a softer, smoother. Because it's harder, I'm able to pull. And I'm wondering if it changes when I break it in more, because I took a brand new one. I should have taken the one I practiced with, but take a look at how the graphite is when I went on top of it. See how that it still has texture and it's still dark. This really blends it away. When I take it to the sponge, it feels more like the paper, but it's even lighter then. It really grabs everything. And then if I take it down here, it really just smooths everything out. And I'm starting to wonder if this ebony pencil was the right choice. But take a look at the control and the way to be able to pull. Isn't that pretty incredible? So as you can imagine, if you push down on this or bend this down, you'll cut this off, and it may even snap this off. It's not about pressure of pressing really hard. It's just a matter of control, whether it's circular motions or whether you're doing streaking, okay? I'm a circular motion shader. I prefer that until there's always those, when you're trying to find that line and you're drawing as you're smudging. Remember, we say smudging, but sometimes it's just a matter of softening something up and blending. So talking about these pens, one, if you're in my classroom, we take care of them. We make sure I'll have the two sizes separated, but I also want to introduce to you, I came across more of the sponge type, where the large one, this is very soft. Like this, I probably would use for pastels, unless I'm looking for something really soft just to kind of do a haze. These thicker ones are a little, where these are firmer, and this, I feel like I could, take the tip and, like I said, draw with the smudge by the way we pull. And this one's a little fascinating to me. It's a sponge, but it feels a little like this white, which is not a sponge, but it's not as soft as this. And as you can see, I can pull and make different effects. And then when it comes to the blending, does a really good job of smoothing things out. Now remember, with anything when you do smudging, especially in charcoal, we can over smudge. Just because you have these tools, doesn't mean you have to just bury everything you do and smudge everything. Texture and roughness does look great. Figure out the type of art you're wanting to do, figure out the techniques, and that'll answer the questions on that. But guys, that'll be it for this video. And I want you guys to know something. You make a difference. Something a little new. And I just want you guys to know that you are amazing, and we'll see you soon. Bye.